What's the cart say? First day making cart sounds. Yay! Well, they have this on. He's not making them anymore, but we got it at the beginning.